everyone, welcome to my channel. So imagine that you're in a rectangular field and you're this black dot over here and you see your friend over here. And let's say they want to get to him, to talk to him or something like that. So the quickest way to go would be to go along the diagonal of the field. There's also another way. You could go around here, around the perimeter, or around there. The quickest way to get to him is actually coming over here. Let's find out why. So first we need to figure out what rule we're using over here, and the one we're using is the Pythagorean Theorem. The main formula which it revolves around is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. This can also be written as c is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared, and these two are equal, so don't get mixed up. So now you might be wondering, what's a, what's b, and what's c? Well, this equation works only with right triangles. Right triangles are triangles which have one 90-degree angle in them. In this triangle, it's over here. So now let's do some problems. In this triangle, we're given one side length of 5, one side length of 12, and one side length of x. We need to find out what x is. So we should apply the formula a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. But what about the values? Well, a and b are the two side lengths which make up the right triangle, which in this case are 5 and 12. So we can give b the value of 5 and a the value of 12. These two are the same and they can be switched around, so that means a could be 5 and b could be 12. In this case, we're using b as 5 and a as 12. We could give c the value of x. So, a squared, 144, plus b squared, 25, should be equal to c squared. Well, 144 plus 25 is 169. So that means 169 should be equal to c squared. So we take the square root of 169, which is 13. So that means 13 is equal to x. We can also do the same thing using the other formula, which is c is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. Let's do it. C is equal to the square root of 144 plus 25. C is equal to the square root of 169, which means c is equal to 13. And remember that c is x, so we got it correct. Another important thing to remember is that a plus b is always greater than c. Remember how I said earlier in the video that if you wanted to get your friend, the quickest way would to be go along here? Well, let's find out why. This is the same problem except we already found out the value of x, so I just wrote it over here. A plus b is 17, and c is 13. 17 is greater than 13. Let's say that your field was measured in feet. So this would be 5 feet, this would be 12 feet, and this would be 13 feet. It would be easier to walk 13 feet across the field than to walk 5 feet and then another 12 feet to get to your friend, which would be 17 feet. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment and let me know what other videos I can do.